How to pause, delete, or stop ads in Facebook advertising meta tutorial. Now, if you wish to manage your ad campaigns on Facebook, first of all, you have to go to Ad Manager. Now, for that, simply open your browser and go to adsmanager.facebook.com, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Once you go to adsmanager.facebook.com, and then you make sure that you are logged into your respective Facebook account as well as also your ad accounts. Right over here on the campaigns page, you'll be able to see all of your active and inactive ads. Now, if you want to turn on a certain campaign, you simply have to click on this little toggle right here in order to enable that campaign. And if you want to disable it, you simply have to turn off the toggle, and then it will be grayed out as you can see right here. Now, you can also check this on off box right here. Go to the edit tab and click on this drop down icon, and you can choose to turn on or turn off these ad campaigns all at once. And if you wish to delete it, you can just click on this trash icon in order to delete a certain campaign based on what you want. And this way you will be able to pause, stop, or delete your ad campaigns on Facebook. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.